Hello, and thank you for tuning in to Zippo Lion's Den. This is part of my 1974 collection, the little Persuader by Zippo. Needs to be repainted and such, but I didn't think it was that bad. 4 slashes from the right to the left on each side makes it 1974. Not in great shape, but it's not in terrible shape either. Still got a good click. Nice sturdy hinge. Has the time appropriate insert, which was really cool. I have a few 1974s in my collection. Reason being because that's the year I was born. So when I find them at a good price, I pick them up. And I just thought this one was pretty cool. I have a little Zippo pocket knife money clip with the same design on it. So I think that's really cool. I always keep the asbestos wick inside my vintage lighters just because I never plan on using them. So I just keep them in there anyway. I suppose for nostalgia's sake or something. But I like having this one in my collection. So please hit the like button, subscribe. Anything you do will help. Thank you.